Back in the 80s, I had my first jaw surgery because I had a protruding jaw. I had to be wired for like 2 months. I couldn't talk, I couldn't eat, but still my teeth did not come out perfect. I saw an advertisement about the procedure that Dr. Muslin does. It seems like the perfect procedure for me. Otherwise, I would need more surgery, braces, a tooth implant, and it was not going to come out as perfect as what Dr. Muslin is telling me that I'm going to be getting this time. I'm very happy. I'm happy with the result, with Dr. Muslin, with all his assistants. They did an excellent job on my teeth, and I think I couldn't get anything better than what I got.